Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be creating this look, as you can see. So I have created a monochromatic look using orange and peachy undertones. If you want to know how I got this look, then please continue watching. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. So without any further ado, let's just start our video.
So first I'm going to moisturize my face using aviel avoin moisturizer, and this is one of my current favorite, and this was suggested by my dermatologist. And if you have dry skin, you can use this, and this doesn't make your skin oily or something of that sort, which is a great thing, and oily skin people can also use this. Next I'm going to moisturize my lips using Quirky Lip Balm. And now I'm gonna prime my face using Maybelline One Day Perfect Primer. So this has SPF into it. I think it has SPF 8 into it, and it has also a bit of tint into it. This primer doesn't make your skin dry or even oily, and it provides a great look to your makeup, which is a great thing. Now I'm gonna go with eye makeup, and I'm gonna prime my eyelids first using StudioWest Concealer, and I'm gonna I'm gonna blend that concealer using PAC Concealer brush. All the details of the products will be mentioned in the description box below, so make sure you check that. Now I'm gonna go with Glaazi palette, eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna go with this yellow sort of shade and place that shade onto my transition area, and slowly and steadily I'm gonna build that shade over there. So I'm gonna place that shade, and I'm gonna blend that shade until I get a desired results. And the brush I am using is by Proarte, but I don't remember the number of that brush, so that will be mentioned in the description box below. So as you can see, I'm just blending that eyeshadow shade onto my eyelids. The one thing is very important in makeup is that blending. Whether you apply foundation or eyeshadow, blending is a key. Now I'm gonna go with this orangey sort of shade and place that shade onto my crease area along with the eyelid area as well. And again I'm using Proarte brush, and this is different brush. Now I'm using this Wet n Wild brush and applying that shade onto my eyelid. Again I'm gonna go back with the different brush, and I'm gonna blend that shade. And the only thing which is left now is blending and building this shade. Now I'm gonna go with Essence eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna go with this peachy sort of shimmery shade and place that shade onto my half of the eyelid, or less than a half of my eyelid. And again I'm gonna blend that shade. From the same Essence palette, I'm gonna go with this yellow shimmery shade and place that shade onto the inner corners of my eye. And off camera I'm gonna do my another eye, and I'll be right back. For face I'm gonna be using Fit Me foundation by Maybelline and W7 Beam Up Illuminator, and I'm gonna apply the concoction of this onto my face with the TS brush. Now I'm gonna go with Orange Corrector by PAC and apply that onto my under eye area and places where I have pigmentation, and I'm gonna blend that with the help of brush by Proarte. Now I'm going to blend my foundation using Duo Fiber Beauty Blender. I got this beauty blender from an Instagram store called Khan's World of Beauty, and I will be providing the details of this store in my Instagram handle. So make sure you check my Instagram handle. And I'm going to blend my foundation really very well. As I always say, the blending is a key. So I'm going to blend my foundation really very well. And always apply some of the foundation on your neck as well. And to conceal and highlight my face, I'm gonna go with the same StudioWest concealer, and I'm gonna apply concealer onto the under eye area of my face, and I'm gonna blend that as well. And I'm also gonna apply the same concealer onto my nose, forehead, and cupid's bow, near mouth area and chin, and little bit corners of my cheeks. And I'm gonna blend that with the help of beauty blender. And to set my face, I'm gonna go with the Miniso loose powder, and first I'm gonna set my under eye area and area where I have applied concealer, and then with a very less amount of powder I'm gonna set my whole face. And to contour, I'm gonna go with LA Colors bronzer, and first I'm gonna contour hollows of my cheeks. As you can see, I'm applying first the product from different brush and then blending that with different brush. And I'm also gonna contour jawline area, then my forehead, nose. That's it. This bronzer is very pigmented, so just go on with light hand. If you're using this bronzer, just blend that bronzer really very well. If you won't blend the bronzer, your face will look muddy. And for blush, I'm gonna go with Nicka K blush duo, and I'm gonna take both of these colors and apply that onto the apples of my cheeks. And again, this blush is very pigmented, so just take less amount of blush and then blend it. Now I'm gonna fill my brows using Miniso brow product. First I'm gonna comb down my brows, and then I'm gonna fill the disperse area, and then I'm gonna shape my brows as well, as you can see. Now I'm gonna go with Exaggerate eyeliner by Rimmel. The color of the liner is blue, and apply that liner onto my lower and upper waterline. Now I'm gonna take this blue shimmery shade from the same Essence eyeshadow palette and apply that onto the lower lash line of my eye. In order to blend blue eyeshadow, I'm gonna go with this orange shade from the Glaazi palette and apply that shade onto the lower lash line of my eye. Now I'm gonna set my face using LA Colors setting spray. And to highlight my face, I'm gonna go with Sivanna Colors Shimmer Brick and apply that highlighter onto the highest points of my face, that is cheekbones, brow bone, bridge of the nose, tip of the nose, cupid's bow, chin, forehead. Now I'm gonna take eyeliner pen by Miniso and apply that onto my upper lash line of my eye. And today I'm gonna go with wing eyeliner for a change. And for lashes, I'm gonna go with Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara, and I'm gonna apply decent coats of mascara onto my lashes. So I'm gonna neutralize my lips using concealer, and then I'm gonna apply lipstick onto my lips. So I'm gonna be using this orange shade lipstick and apply that onto my lips. I was not happy with the shade, so again I'm gonna go with different lipstick. This is by Colorbar, and again I was not happy. Then again I went with nude shade and applied that onto my lips, and now I like this.
So with that, our look is complete. If you like this look, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also share my videos with your friends and relatives. I will be back with another video. Till then, bye, take care, stay happy and spread happiness.